So just recently I participated in Fools and Heroes, my first ever LARPing event, with quite a few people, and from my first experience, I loved it. I found nothing wrong with it. I enjoyed all of it. It was just an amazing experience with amazing and funny people. Like, everyone was just so relaxed and like chilled out, and I couldn't have asked for a better time because it was literally the best at any given moment. And I just love what they had to offer. I loved all the stuff that we did, and I hope we get to do it again at some point soon. So from my experience, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. Like, it will take a little bit to understand quite a few aspects of LARP, but once you get used to it, it's actually quite fun. It's quite, like, amazing from my experience, and there are a lot of places you could go for that. So, if anything, I'd recommend trying out LARP.